In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the currency on Airbnb. Sometimes when you travel to different countries, Airbnb may automatically change your default currency. To set your preferred currency manually, just follow these steps. First, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the Airbnb app. Next, scroll down and select Account Settings. From there, choose Payments from the list of options. Then, tap on the currency option located in the top right corner of the screen. Now simply select the currency you'd like to use. For example, Australian dollars. Once you've done that, go back to the Airbnb home screen and refresh the page. You'll now see that all the listings are displayed in your chosen currency. And that's how you change the currency on Airbnb. If you found this video helpful, make sure to let me know in the comments below. That's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.